Mama give you a little toy? Huh? What's this little guy? Can you move your hand? And it rattles. Shake it. He's staring at it. What did Mama give you, huh? Uh-oh, it's falling off. Oh, look, look. Look. Bee. Bumblebee. Bumblebee. Mwah. Look at the bumblebee. Bumblebee. There's a smile. There's a smile. Hi. Good morning. You want me to put the bee back on your hand? Yeah, you're a happy guy. Happy baby. Hmm? There we go. I love you. I love you. Hi. Hi. What's brother doing? Oh boy. There's a trail. Where's the brother? Hi, Leo. What you doing? Leo. This is how Mama keeps baby off of the counters. Are you putting things in the kitchen now? What you doing? Come here. Did you put things in the kitchen too? No, the trail keeps going. Mama pulled out baby toys. Little baby toys. And now Leo thinks they're his new toys. That's the way to do it. Gotta hide them and bring them back. Look how many. Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh. Soon you're gonna be saying Pooh, huh? Yeah. Hi. Hi. Can you smile for me? Hi. My baby. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Almost 2 months. And Leo's almost 19 months. You're a little cutie. You're my little cutie. Hey. Happy baby. Happy, happy. I love it when you smile. Mama. Mama. Hi. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye, Leo? Bye-bye. Leonidas. Leonidas, say bye-bye. Oh, he's too excited about all of his little stuff he found.